The video opens with a rapid, thrilling montage of clips from the creator's previous shorts, glimpses of railguns firing in the void, asteroid impacts on alien swarms, and shocked galactic diplomats. The host's voiceover cuts in. In our shorts, you witnessed the shocking moment humanity first repelled the swarm with sheer kinetic force. But that was merely the opening salvo, a brief glimpse into a deeper truth the galaxy failed to comprehend. Today we unfold the complete, awe-inspiring full story of how a species deemed backward by the entire Galactic Council would not just win a battle, but redefine the very meaning of power, forcing millennia-old empires to kneel not before magic or energy shields, but before the relentless engine of human science. The narrative begins with the solemn, disdainful proceedings of the Galactic Council, officially classifying humanity as a Level 2 primitive species. Our technology, rooted in kinetics, thermodynamics, and atmospheric chemistry, is dismissed as crude and wasteful, a curious archaeological relic. Scenes show human ambassadors receiving the verdict with polite silence, while back in Sol System, the silence is one of intense focus. The narrative contrasts lavish council worlds with the gritty research labs of Mars and the orbital forges of Jupiter, where humanity, unshackled by galactic convention, continues its deep, fundamental research into the raw laws of physics. This quiet buildup is shattered by the arrival of the Devourer Swarm, a cosmic locust plague that effortlessly dismantles the Council's advanced energy-based fleets. In a moment of utter desperation, the proud Council is forced to broadcast a plea to the very primitives they scorned, begging for any assistance. The stage is set not for a simple military aid mission, but for a profound scientific demonstration. Humanity's response is not a fleet, but Project Gutenberg. The first act is the Krakatoa Protocol. We see the terrifying elegance of kinetic weapons, tungsten rods, rocks from a sling, accelerated to a fraction of light speed not by antimatter, but by monstrous magnetic rails. The visuals depict these primitive projectiles bypassing the swarm's energy-diffusing shields entirely, delivering cataclysmic planetary-scale impacts through pure Newtonian force. As the swarm adapts, dispersing its biomass, humanity unveils its second principle, the Thermodynamic Siege. The story escalates to a breathtaking scale as we witness the weaponization of an entire planet. Scientists and engineers execute a colossal operation to destabilize and steer the super-dense, corrosive atmosphere of Venus, projecting a focused beam of ultra-high pressure, scorching chemical hell across the solar system. This is not a laser but an engineered hurricane, a tsunami of atmosphere that smothers and dissolves the adaptive swarm on a molecular level, proving humanity masters not just objects but environments. In the stunned silence following the swarm's total eradication, the Galactic Council convenes not to judge, but to bestow a new, revered title upon humanity, Galactic Engineers. The moral is crystallized: humanity's ultimate strength lies not in possessing technology more advanced than others, but in our unique, relentless, and brutal genius for applied science, for taking fundamental laws and forging them into scalable, universe-altering tools. The host concludes, looking directly at the viewer, "This is the core of HFY. It's not about being the strongest but about being the most ingeniously relentless." If this full story of cosmic-scale engineering and defiance captivated you, subscribe for a new, detailed HFY epic every single week. Craving a quicker hit of that human ingenuity? The complete shorts version, along with many others, is waiting for you in our shorts playlist. The galaxy learned not to underestimate the engineers of Earth. Don't miss what we unveil next.